Well, I have a lot of fond memories from London, and it's like my second home, I would say. I think so far I've had a beautiful experience traveling to Italy, Switzerland, like all these places. I find them very beautiful and very peaceful.
My favorite place to travel so far has been Ladakh. Many years ago I went to Ladakh and it was so beautiful, so serene, pristine and calming.
I'm okay with all. There is important for you to take solo holidays also if you can, and there's nothing like going on a trip with a family or a friend.
Both. I've traveled solo twice. I enjoyed that also a lot, and even with like loved ones, it's a lot of fun.
Any place that has privacy and complete peace and quiet. But I'm told Paris is very romantic. I haven't been there yet. I mean, on a romantic trip.
Most romantic destination in my opinion, I don't know. I still have to discover that.
Well, whenever I go for a holiday with my girlfriends, I always land up doing something quirky and crazy. And one of them includes me going into a supermarket in the middle of the night searching for dahi because I was getting a craving of dahi. Because I wanted dahi khana tha. So that was something that I found quite quirky.
Quirkiest thing I've done on a vacation. I've done a lot of quirky things on my vacations. But I think on my solo trip to Italy, I visited 19 museums in 6 to 7 days. So that was a very memorable, one quirky thing right now off the top of my head.
Most of the times I travel because of work, but if I'm going for a holiday, I just try to keep it as light as possible. Like not to carry too many clothes because I always land up buying something or the other. Something that is very important for me is traveling with a good book. Because you never know, how long you have to wait somewhere, etc. It's always nice to have a good book to read.
I carry walking shoes, hiking comfortable shoes, sunglasses, hat, backpack. I'm that person who likes to be very comfortable on my trips. So I have more sneakers and more track pants or shorts and jackets and hoodies and topies because it's very important to be super comfortable.
No.
Yes, also a lot of word of mouth. I think asking loved ones and friends where to go, what to do, where to be. I think that those things are very important, and also a little bit of mystery in terms of, I don't like planning everything. Kind of go with the flow as well.
Oh, I've not been for a safari yet, but I'm dying to go for a safari. So safari.
I love traveling a lot, so I think that it's very difficult for me to just choose a beach or mountains or a particular one, but I do have a soft corner for mountains, mountainous regions.
Sleeping.
If I'm going from one set to another, I'm sleeping because most of the times what's happened recently is I've landed and I've gone straight to set. So I've had to sleep. But if it's on a holiday, and if it's a night flight, I'll be sleeping. If it's a day flight, I'll probably be watching a movie and reading a book.